One of the most frustrating things about being a musician is writing it out in a song. It really affects me, but writing it out in a song, you write it out in a song, and you make this beautiful melody, you make these beautiful guitar bits or whatever, you make it into a beautiful thing. And people sit there entranced by your voice, by your delivery, by everything like that. And yet if you open a dialogue with the exact same plot as your song, I don't want to know. Being able to talk is not the problem, it's having the people who want to listen. That's the issue, I think, with mental health. I don't think there's an issue with people talking. I think the issue is that people don't want to listen. We do not like sitting in pain. As humans, it is our instinct that when we see something that's going to cause us grief or pain or anything like that, we go into primal instinct, which is freeze, flight, fight, or fawn. So you either want to care, we want to freeze, we want to go away, or we want to fight it, defend it. Well, I don't want to know. I don't want to know. Or we go, look, I'm really sorry, I'm busy, I've got to go. Or we freeze, we go, I don't know what to say. Or we fawn. Really? Oh my gosh, maybe you should do this, maybe you should do that. None of those instances are about listening. None of those innate human instincts that we are born with, that's part of our DNA as humans, has got anything to do with listening. And that is something that we are very privileged as humans to be able to learn. We can unlearn the old way of being around pain and relearn about sitting with pain. That's a brilliant line from Fight Club. You get, when people think you're dying, they're listening to you rather than just waiting for their turn to speak. And it's so true. It's so true. People are just waiting for their turn to speak. Because my mother used to say to me when I was very young, I was about 11 or 12, she said, if I had cancer and it was eating away at me on the outside in, everyone would be concerned. Everyone would run up and give me some help. She says, but because I've got depression, because you can't see inside my head, it doesn't exist.
Just don't make me a sad song tonight.
And then there are the fans, the really wonderful fans, who, one guy, it's really emotional, but one guy who's been a fan of mine for 3 years, he said that your EP last year stopped me from committing suicide. It stopped me from ending my life because you were just saying all the things that I couldn't say, that I couldn't face. And it taught me, and I was just like, that's it. That's all I want to do, is in some way elevate the pain in order to elevate the healing. Does that make sense? Yeah. So that's why music means an awful lot.